All right, tell everybody your name.
Anita.
Anita, what are we gonna go do?
Skydiving.
We're doing what?
Skydiving.
Oh my goodness, and this is your crazy idea, right?
Yeah.
And you've never done this before?
No, I don't.
Oh my goodness, how are you feeling?
Very excited.
Yeah? Yeah, is this a bucket list, a spur of the moment thing? So you've been thinking about this, or you
Yes.
just decided to do this?
Yeah, I decided to do. I just surprise from my husband.
Where are you from?
India.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You have any words you'd like to say to family, friends, anybody back home?
Love you guys all.
Hey, you heard it from the lady herself. Are you ready to go skydive?
Yeah.
Yeah, high five, let's go skydive. Woo, yeah! Woo, yeah! Oh my goodness, let me help you up. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. That was awesome. Oh my god, that was so cool.
Talk to me, look at me.
Yay!
Hey, high five, high five.
Yay!
Congratulations, welcome to skydiving.
Thank you.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, would you go again?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, you rocked it. You did so awesome. Oh, we can't wait to have you back here at Skydive, Alabama. Thank you so much for coming out and doing this.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.